What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Al here, and in today's video we're going to be discovering what the ES button on a Toyota Yaris actually is and how it works. If you're the proud owner of a Toyota Yaris, you've probably noticed a number of features that enhance your driving experience. One such feature is the ES button. While it might seem like just another switch in your dashboard, understanding its function can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. In this video, we'll dive into what the ES button is, how it works, and why it's useful for Toyota Yaris drivers. So, what does the ES button stand for? The ES button stands for Eco Start Stop, a feature designed to help reduce fuel consumption, particularly when driving in urban areas. The Toyota Yaris is known for being compact, fuel efficient, and the ES button enhances these qualities by automatically turning the engine off when the vehicle is idling. This simple feature can make a noticeable difference in both your fuel efficiency and your environmental impact. In terms of the purpose of the ES button in a Toyota Yaris, it's particularly helpful in start-stop traffic. When you come to a complete stop at a red light or in a traffic jam, for instance, the engine will automatically shut down. And as soon as you lift your foot off the brake or engage the accelerator, the engine will start again. This seamless operation helps conserve fuel and reduces unnecessary emissions, especially in heavy traffic where idling can be wasting fuel. But how does it benefit you? Primarily, it improves fuel efficiency, which can translate into cost savings over time. Additionally, it's a great feature for drivers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Although the ES button might seem like a small addition, it plays a significant role in making your Toyota Yaris more eco-friendly without compromising on performance. So how do you use the ES button effectively? Using your ES button in your Toyota Yaris is really quite straightforward. In most models, it's automatically enabled when you start the car, but you can toggle it on or off at your discretion. If you prefer to drive without the start-stop function, simply press the ES button to deactivate it. It's usually located near the gear lever or on the dashboard. So when should you use it? The ES button is most effective in urban driving environments where start-stop traffic is common. If you're driving long distances on the motorway, it may not be as necessary since you won't be stopping frequently. However, in city driving, activating the ES button can make your car more efficient. One top tip is if you find the engine's restart delay noticeable or distracting, you can disable the function temporarily. This might be useful when navigating complicated junctions or roundabouts where you need instant power from your engine. So what's the difference between ES button and eco mode? If you've explored other settings in your Toyota Yaris, you might have come across the eco mode feature. While both the ES button and eco mode are designed to save fuel, they operate differently. Eco mode alters the throttle response, transmission shift points, and air conditioning settings to improve fuel efficiency. Essentially, it changes the way the car drives to prioritize fuel savings, which can reduce engine power slightly. It's a little bit like putting low power mode on with your smartphone device. In terms of the ES button, unlike the eco mode, it specifically targets fuel consumption by shutting down the engine when the car is idling, rather than altering the vehicle's overall driving performance. The key difference is that the ES button focuses on reducing fuel use during stationary periods, while eco mode manages the entire driving experience to make it more economical. You can even use both together to maximize fuel efficiency in your Yaris. A lot of people then ask, well, does the ES button affect driving performance? The short answer is no. The ES button doesn't negatively affect your Toyota's acceleration, braking, or handling. When the engine shuts off at a stop, it doesn't reduce the car's ability to respond when you need to move again. As soon as you lift your foot off the brake or press the accelerator, the engine quickly restarts, allowing you to drive off smoothly. However, some drivers may notice a slight delay when the engine restarts, particularly in the older models. This is more of a minor inconvenience than a performance issue, and most drivers just get used to it after a few times. Now, there are a few common misconceptions around the ES button, so let's clear them up. Myth number one, using the ES button will wear out your engine faster. This is false. Toyota has designed the engine start-stop system to be robust enough to handle the frequent stopping and starting without causing damage. The components are built to last and can withstand the additional wear. Myth number two is that the ES button doesn't save that much fuel. While it may not seem like much, small savings add up over time, especially in city traffic, where idling can burn through fuel unnecessarily. The ES button can actually lead to noticeable improvements in your fuel consumption. And then myth number three, the ES button causes the engine to turn off in dangerous situations. Not true whatsoever. The system is designed to reactivate the engine immediately when you need to accelerate. It's a well-tuned feature that ensures you're never left vulnerable in traffic. Frequently asked questions. What happens if I leave the ES button on all the time? Leaving the ES button on all the time will not harm your car. It's designed to function automatically, ensuring the engine stops and starts as needed, depending on the driving conditions. Can using the ES button damage my car? No. The system is built to handle frequent engine start-stops without causing long-term damage to the car. Is the ES button available in all Toyota Yaris models? The ES button is available in most newer models of the Yaris, particularly those designed for better fuel efficiency. If you're unsure, check your vehicle's manual or speak with a Toyota dealer. Does the ES button impact emissions? Yes, the ES button can help reduce emissions by cutting down on unnecessary engine idling, particularly in stop and go traffic situations. In summary, the ES button in the Toyota Yaris is a small but powerful feature designed to make your driving experience more efficient and eco-friendly. By automatically stopping the engine when it's not needed, it reduces fuel consumption and helps cut down emissions. Whether you're navigating through city streets or simply looking to save a bit of money at the pump, the ES is a tool worth using. So, next time you're behind the wheel, give it a try and see the difference it can make for your fuel efficiency and driving experience. Are you looking to get a new used car today? Well, then contact us at carnights.co.uk. That's carnights.co.uk, and we sell over 200 vehicles that you can choose from. It's at the top navigation bar. Guys, make sure to smash the subscribe button, like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.